Haven't you heard? Haven't you heard? That fire is life, fire is life. Especially with the Bio Bro. The Bio Bro. The Bio Bro. The Bio Bro. Especially in the Bio Bro show.
Isn't Bio alive or what? Yo guys, what's going on? It's the Bio Bro, and this is our 4th video on the flatworm. Boom! They're also called helminthes. So yeah, that's 1 point for advanced phylum names. Yeah. Alright, so let me tell you a few things about the flatworm. Most of its members are parasitic, and it's bilateral. In fact, it's one of the simplest animal phylums to ever be bilateral. Just to be clear, bilateral means like, you know, lateral from like here or something. You know, like people, basically people, dogs, and whatnot. Yeah. Boom. Actually, the tubular mouth is actually the pharynx. It's actually at the mid body. So sorry about that. Flatworms also have 3 tissue layers, but no body cavity. Well, on the bright side, if they have no body cavity, that means they won't have to visit the dentist anytime soon, am I right? Most of these flatworms are planarians, flukes, and tapeworms. So let's look at their general anatomy. Alright, so here we got the flatworm. Although, admittedly, it is not as tasty as a pancake, it is still pretty fascinating to study. Alright, so here is the top part where the head would be, and it's all the way down to like the tail or whatever. Alright, so next up we got the eye spot near the head. There's the pharynx, which are the pink things, that petal-like things in the flower. The mouth is right here in the blue zone. There's the reproductive system in the green, the sucker, and then there's the sucker. And the gut cavity is right down here, and it leads all the way down until where the waste products eventually comes out. So yeah, that's the flatworm. Some things to talk about the flatworm. It's the result of a no circulatory system, and also they have an incomplete gut and solid body. Worms, as well as annelids and mollusks, and they're all like different parts of the Trichozoa, a free-swimming cylindrid larva called Trichophalates, as you can tell. Well, that's kind of obvious in the name. Trichozoa, you know? Cool. So let's talk about the examples of these guys. The planarians are like they're only non-parasites listed, but they can like twist their bodies at a certain angle. And if people did that, it'd be pretty painful, like, yeah, that kind of pain. Alrighty, so let's say goodbye to the flatworm anatomy chart, people. Bye-bye! Alrighty, so that pretty much covers it for our flatworm video. Next up, we're gonna cover
phylum Nematoda, aka roundworms.
Another advanced phylum term. Boom. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to stay pumped up for the roundworm video. Worms. don't try to worm your way out of it, or seriously, please don't. You really want to watch it. I'm sure you'll be very entertaining. In a little bit of a morbid way. Just a little secret. Yeah. So anyways, until then, this is the Bio Bro signing off and saying bye-bye.